Hey guys, Booligan here with Booligan Airsoft and Airsoft Insider, taking a look at an accessory for use on both real firearms as well as airsoft replicas. This is the Tyrant Designs Halo Handstop. It looks like a stubby little vertical grip, and it kind of is a stubby little grip. That's one of the many ways that you can use this. You can use it as a stubby grip, you can use it as a reference point, you can use it as a hand stop, you can use it as a way to brace against a barricade. You can use it for a lot of different things, especially for making your gun look good. On this case, on my AR-15, the upper from Kinetic Concealment, lower from Palmetto State, and a bunch of other stuff that I put on it. But today we're talking about this hand stop. Let's take a little closer look at it. Some of the features of it is CNC machined, obviously made of aluminum, and it has a bead blasted finish and is hard coat anodized. It's available in several different colors. This one is red because red things look really cool, in my opinion, and it has nice chamfered edges here. Let's see if we can get a little bit better light on it. Always tricky trying to manage the light on accessory reviews like this. So you've got chamfered edges, so you can put your hand inside if need be. And it is available both MLOK compatible as well as Keymod compatible, or both. That's what this model is. This model comes with both an MLOK and a Keymod insert. And because of that, I can use it on a wide range of rifles, both airsoft and real firearm. We're going to throw this on an airsoft replica really quick, but just a couple of quick seconds about mounting this guy up and my experience with it so far. Mounting was just a little bit tricky, and that very well could be because my rail might be slightly thicker, or my handguard might be slightly thicker than most, but the screw was just a tiny bit too short for me to be able to get that in there and manipulate it so that you can twist the MLOK locking lug, I suppose we'll call it, in place. So I was able to get it mostly in place, and then just had to use another tool to just push that just a little bit more. If you're using this on something that has harder to access mounting points, it may be something that you run into. So keep an eye out for that depending on the actual accessory, the actual hand guard and the actual firearm that you're putting it on. But other than that, it went in place. It's solid, it's not coming off. And I was using it as a barricade rest. I was using it as a barricade rest on a shooting block at the range with this. Put about 70 or 80 rounds through this, my last trip to the range, and was braced up against this thing the whole time. And it didn't budge, it didn't have any detrimental effect to the finish. It honestly looks good, still works great. If I were to be doing a practical shooting competition, I could use that as a reference point or a hand stop, exactly like you are supposed to use it for. Let's go ahead, let's take this off this, and let's put it on a G&G Keymod replica really quick and see how it goes on there. And just like that, we have it installed on the G&G RK74E. Nice little Keymod equipped G&G Tactical AK. We're not here to look at the gun, we're here to look at the hand stop. I'm pleased to report that installation with Keymod is a piece of cake. This thing just fell right on. No issues with screw length. It screwed in very easily, and it is, again, rock solid on there. Depending on which version you buy, whether you buy the Keymod version or whether you buy the MLOK version, it will come with the appropriate installation kit. It'll come with an angled hex screw, or hex wrench, excuse me. It'll come with the correct screws, correct mounting base, and if you get the kit that has both, it comes with both of those things that you need to install it on basically anything that you would want to install it on. So now for the skinny, quick facts about this thing. It's a little pricey. I will be point blank honest. It is about $43, $42.95 for either version, for either the Keymod or the MLOK version, or if you want both, it's about 45 bucks. So it has about $2 to have compatibility for both MLOK and Keymod. That's the version I would get, because if you're me, you don't want to necessarily buy into just one attachment method. You want to have different options for installing it on different guns. that's really the only con of this thing, in my opinion. It's just a little higher price for what it is. Now, if you're looking for a more extended vertical grip or a pistol grip for a real AR-15, Tyrant Designs has those options as well. So you're not just limited to just this handstop. It is available in several colors. It's available in red, black, blue, and gray, I believe. And they're all about the same price. No real price difference depending on the color that you get. And the coolest part, the whole reason that Tyrant Designs is out there is lightweight. And this guy comes in at 0.9 ounces, so not even an ounce, to add a very nice piece, a very nice looking, very nice functioning piece of kit onto your rifle. So many thanks to them for sending this over. I'm hoping we could test out some of their other products. I'd love to get like one of their AR-15 grips on maybe my AR-15 or another upcoming project or something else. You know me, I can never leave well enough alone, and I'm always doing ridiculous projects, and their stuff is flashy, it looks great, it works great, it's lightweight, and if you like style, you should put this on your gun. Thanks for watching.